Hey guys, I made colorful coffee filter flowers. I taught my niece how to make this as a lei, but you could add stems to them. I used 2 coffee filters per flower. Fold a coffee filter in half 4 times. Cut a curve near the center. I started at about 1/4 of an inch from the center and cut about a 3/4 of an inch curve. I used it as a template to cut out the other flowers. Next, color them with washable markers. I use Crayola markers in these colors. Place them on a plastic surface and spray them with water. I used a paper towel to soak up some water so that the flowers would dry faster. Then I laid them on top of a cereal box to dry. This also helped soak up the water. Then make more flowers. Next, make a fist and place the flower over it. Press down on the center to scrunch the flower. Wrap tape around the bottom. Cut the tip off so that you can string it later. Do the same to the other flower, but before taping it, cut the tip off and place the first flower inside of it. To string it, I used yarn and a tapestry needle. To space out the flowers, cut a pipe cleaner in half. Then wrap it around a straw to create a hole. To add a stem, I used floral wire and floral tape. I folded the top of the wire so that there wouldn't be a sharp end sticking out. Insert the wire through the flower. I tape the base of the flower to the wire. Then wrap the wire and base of the flower with floral tape. And here's how it turned out.